Hey friends, welcome to Stocks and Crypto Plays. I'm talking about AMC stock. We've got a lot going on, a lot of breaking news, a lot of developing stories on AMC and AMC stock. Hit like, subscribe, and notification, share the video with a friend. So I got the question now to all of us in our community, is Allegheny a plant? And this sounds crazy, but like, is AMC working with Allegheny? Did they ask Allegheny to sue them? So that they could make a settlement and protect themselves from future lawsuits. I'm just not sure, because it is kind of strange. Allegheny's lawyers seem like they are working fully in conjunctions with AMC's lawyers, and why would they want to accept the settlement, this awful settlement where they get 7 shares for every one that they own? And now I'm hearing Allegheny only owns less than 1,000 shares. I've been hearing that for a while, and I personally have never been able to find out exactly how many shares Allegheny owns. I don't see any SEC docs or anything like that, so it must not be a lot. But now this guy on Twitter, Alexander Holland, he's angry because he saw that on this list of the court documents, he's listed as non-compliant. If you can see it right here, lack of postcard notice or non-compliant objections due to no proof of ownership provided, no opt-out, and he's got his name highlighted there. And then he's like so angry, he like did this letter to those lawyers. Let's see, dear plaintiff's counsel. So he sent it to the plaintiff's counsel. It says, I'm addressing a deeply concerning and infuriating matter regarding the flagrant mishandling of our objections as displayed in your corrected affidavit of Thomas Curry in support of plaintiff's reply in further support of the settlement, June 8, 2023. It is evident that you either suffer from a severe case of negligence or, even worse, you're purposefully attempting to trample on our rights, silence our voices, and rob us of our opportunity to object as rightful class members. Very interesting. Imagine my astonishment when I discovered that our objections, both mine and those submitted on behalf of my minor child, were callously relegated to the list of correspondence lack of postcard notice due to no proof of ownership provided, no opt-out. This classification is not only grossly inaccurate but also an outright lie. I find it hard to believe that such a blatant act of incompetence could occur, leading me to suspect a more sinister motive behind your actions. Let me set the record straight for you, since it appears that a thorough review of our objections was too much to ask. In my email dated May 30, 2023, sent from my sender address, I explicitly stated on the very first page that the proof of ownership is contained within Exhibit 1. I even took the liberty of indicating the exact pages where you could find the evidence, namely pages 49, 50, 51, 52, to attach PDF. It's abundantly clear that I provided you with necessary docs to substantiate our status as objectors with irrefutable proof of ownership. Moreover, I went to great lengths to ensure that my daughter's objection was duly submitted on May 31st. This email had the benefit of a witness who can attest to the fact that you received all the requisite info. I've sent you on June 8th also an email from this account with the request to publish my objection letter. So far, you haven't done it and ignored my request. Consider this a final warning. You have until June 13th to rectify the abhorrent misrepresentation of our objections in your affidavit. Failure to promptly address leave us no choice to unleash our full discontent. We will not hesitate to inform the court, file formal complaint with Delaware Lawyers Bar, pursue all available legal avenues against your despicable law firm. Make no mistake, we will not be silenced, and we will not tolerate such a blatant disregard for our rights as class members. With seething anger. Wow. He's very angry, and I can understand. I mean, we're dealing with criminals here, friends. We're dealing with criminals. This guy did everything he needed to do to object. He followed the laws. They sent the postcards late to everyone. Most people didn't even get them. Did you vote on my poll? We have close to 1,000 votes on my poll. All you have to do is go view channel, go into community notes. You'll see my polls. I have a couple new polls up there. It's looking like most people never even got it, and the ones that did get it got it late, like 80% if you combine the ones that didn't get it and the ones that got it late. I have a few more things for you here. So you see that, right? That's like part 1. And then there was another thing here where a guy was saying that Allegheny owns less than 1,000 shares. and they own less than 1,000 shares. I mean, that's disturbing. Like, you know, they went through all this, and what are they going to end up with the settlement? Allegheny. What would Allegheny get? 1 share for every 7.5 that they own? So what are they going to get? Like 70 shares? Like 7 shares? I don't understand. This is just confusing to me. Like, I don't understand. What does Allegheny get out of this? I know the lawyers get money, but what does Allegheny get out of this? I don't know. Comment below. What do you guys think? Also, I did this on my Twitter. I said, is Adam Aron guilty of insider trading? 127 votes so far. We still have 1 day. You can vote on my channel if you want. Stocks and Crypto Place. Is Adam Aron guilty of insider trading? 127 votes. 82% say yes. And I agree. I have all the proof, actually. But who's going to help us with this? So let me go over here real quick to AMC. Search that up. And I was wondering if that one guy's tweet was there. I'm having a hard time finding it. I had it ready for the video, but it's vanished. I don't know. He did a tweet showing how kind of like Allegheny owns less than 1,000 shares. Let's try one more thing here. Doggone it, I don't see it. Here it is. Is that it? Here it is. Found it, friends. Sorry to waste some of your time there. It says optimal projection here, okay? WTF, so do both plaintiffs barely own any AMC shares? Can we confirm this? Question mark. Optimal objection says, right? And here from Relaxing Music Collection, it says blow these up. Boom. I don't know where he got this paperwork. I didn't see it. I might have missed it. I don't know. It looks official, though. It says Allegheny highlighted. Based on the discovery record, Allegheny owned 879 shares of common stock on February 8th, 2023, and received a similar number of APEs as a dividend in August 2022. Allegheny claims to have owned continuously since December. This is crazy. Like, I think most of us own more than 879 shares. And even if you don't, that's fine. But I think most of us own more shares than that. I personally own more shares than that. So, what? I own more shares than Allegheny? Like, should I have a bigger voice than Allegheny? Like, this is kind of silly to me. It's kind of ridiculous. Comment below. What do you think about all that, friends? I'm going to have more videos today on AMC. There's just so much news, so much updates I need to do for you guys. And we got to work together. I mean, time is running short. We got to see what we could do. We got to keep our eyes open. All right, friends? Hit like, subscribe, and notifications. Share the video with a friend. Talk to you soon.